Hey there, David Perdue here from MyNAMS.com and the Novice to Advanced Marketing System. And I want to tell you about our new NAMS Accelerator. This one is called How to Make More Money with Email Marketing. Now, we've done 5 or 6 of these in the past already over the last year. These are 2-day workshops that we do that are completely interactive, online, and live over a 2-day weekend. 8 sessions completely, and we really get into some great detail. The point of these NAMS Accelerator workshops is to help you get up and running during that weekend as fast as possible on that specific topic. One of the first ones we did was Fast Business Startup, and we helped people get moving really quickly on getting their business up and running and ready. Then we gave you another one on affiliate marketing to help you understand how to make money without your own products so that you can sell other people's products and learn how to market and sell. And then we did another one on how to increase your sales with traffic. Traffic is the lifeblood, of course, and we really wanted to make sure that you were able to get traffic to your products, to your offers, to your website, to your business. Today, we're talking about email marketing. We're going to focus this next 2-day workshop on email marketing because email marketing is the thing that helps more people, more businesses make money online today than any other tool. Now, if I look at a few stats, and you're going to see a big one here at the top of the page, you see a stat that says how to increase your sales by 760%. Now, that was from a recent study that was done over in 2020, I believe it was, in 2020 to show how segmentation helps you increase your revenue by 760%. Another stat shows that email gets 40 times more ROI than social media, 40 times more ROI than social media when it comes to customer acquisition. So email, don't believe that nonsense about email being dead. The person that sent you the email about being dead sent you an email about email being dead. It is not dead. Otherwise, they wouldn't have sent you the email in your inbox about being dead. So forget all of that. It does not apply. Email marketing is the thing that's going to drive you the most sales the fastest. Now, there are a lot of caveats that go into that, a lot of tools that you're going to need, and a lot of steps to creating a great email marketing campaign. But we want to do this as simply as possible, as fast as possible, and get you moving as fast as possible with email marketing. That's the fastest way to make money online. It is the absolute best way to make money online today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to share the screen here with you and show you a few things that we're going to cover during this 8-session workshop. Now, what we're going to cover in session 1, and we're going to talk about why email is so important and stronger than ever to deliver the kind of response and ROI that you're expecting from your business. Without this component in your business, you're not going to do well, I guarantee you. So email marketing for us is between 75 and 90% of our revenue. Everything can be tied back to email marketing, okay? And we're not alone. This is the case with everybody. All right, session number 2 is all about the most important tools and assets required to be an effective email marketer. So the question here is, where's the easy button? I hear that all the time. Where's the easy button? Let me tell you up front, there is no easy button. There are systems and there are opportunities for you to continue to build your email marketing campaigns easily and consistently. That's the key. Building easily and consistently. You get started with one, you conquer that one, and you continue to copy and paste and move on and build additional email campaigns, okay? Session number 3 is starting with the goals in mind, including a roadmap to getting a better than average ROI. Now, you've probably heard this number for years, and I don't know if it's true or not true. I just know it's true for us. The average income per person on your list is supposed to be about $1 per month using email marketing. I know people who are hitting as much as $15 per subscriber per month. We're doing between $3 and $4 per subscriber per month in our own system, and we don't inundate people with 15 emails a day. All we're doing is delivering value, and we're going to show you how to deliver value to make sure that you can have a consistent and beautiful ROI that you can rely on to predict your income every day of the month. And we're also going to show you how to build evergreen in email campaigns. Now that's the really delightful part of email marketing. So in session 4, we're going to look at, are you going to engage with people or are you going to disrupt people? What's your style? We want to know what your style is. Now, some of my friends and most successful marketers online are disruptors. They really don't care about building relationships. We care very much about building long-term relationships with customers because we're building a legacy business that doesn't change. We've had MyNAMS.com for many, many, many years, and we have the MyNAMS Insiders Club for many years, and we're going to continue doing this. This is our baby. This is what we want. It's going to pass from me to my daughter. We have a family business. It is a legacy business. You can build a legacy business by building relationships with your customers, just as if you were selling shoes in a shoe store. You want the same people to come back all the time. We want the same people to come back all the time. So we're focused on building relationships. Now, when you do that, an email is not just an email. Like I say here, there are different types of emails for different purposes. There's a nurture email. There is a delivery email. There's an affiliate review email. There's all kinds of emails that you're going to use at different points in your business, and it's really important to understand those and to build those in the most effective and efficient way. Session number 5 is triple your revenue with segmentation. This is where we're really going to get into how to segment your list so that you know who needs what when. If somebody is only interested in buying video products from you, video software, let's say, why would you send them ebook software? You don't want to do that. You want to focus on what people want and deliver it to them because they're going to buy more of that. They're telling you what they want. It's called behavioral marketing. And so what we're going to do is use segmentation to deliver and convert more buyers on your list because you are delivering the right message to the right market. Session 6 is about evergreen campaigns versus broadcast emails. There's a place for both. We use both in our system, evergreen campaigns versus broadcast systems. But evergreen campaigns are going to drive revenue every single day. Evergreen campaigns are going to drive revenue every single day. This is how you build a business that continues to add income, add revenue every day. So, this is our mantra, do the work once, get paid forever. That's where the evergreen campaigns come in. As people come onto your system, you put them into a campaign. The campaign introduces them, builds the relationship, and finds out which tool, which niche that they're most interested in, and then you deliver that campaign to them. We're going to show you the detail on how to do that, and also show you how to get started with it simply, not in such a complicated way that you can't ever put this in place. Session 7 is turning on your money machine with email marketing. When I got into this business, I had a coach named Mark Hendricks. Mark was a great mentor for me. He was really grounded in the fundamentals of business. But one of the things that Mark used to say to me all the time is an email marketing campaign is like an ATM. You can send out an email, get cash. Send out an email, get cash. He gave me an example one time where he needed a new tractor for his farm, $15,000, sent out an email to his list of about 130,000 people, got $15,000 and went and bought his tractor. So it's an amazing tool that as you build it, it becomes a bigger and bigger cash machine for you. And we're going to show you how to use all of the stuff that you've learned so far in this program and touch on some others as well so that you can use email marketing to really start building out that cash machine for yourself. And in session 8, as with every program that we teach, as with every aspect of business online, you need to understand the tips, you need to understand how to tweak things, you need to understand what the tricks are that other people have learned before you and put those in place, because those are the things that help you shorten that learning curve. You're going to be able to really figure out how to increase your ROI by a percentage point here, a percentage point there. And when you get the numbers, a percentage point here and there makes big differences in the amount of money that you're going to reap from this effort. So what I want to say to you is that this is the key to building a solid, evergreen online business that is going to drive more revenue for you. Now, you can get into this live training very easily by clicking the button below. And if you attend live, we have an incredibly good price for you. But we also have an opportunity for you to get an incredibly good price on the replays, as well as the transcripts and the PDFs and all the tools and resources that we use in this workshop. So I'm really inviting you. In fact, I'm urging you to jump into this NAMS Accelerator called How to Make More Money with Email Marketing. Okay, we'll talk to you soon and look forward to seeing you on the call coming up. Thanks.